Welcome viewers to another video. In this video, we are going to see what's new in Windows 11 24 H2 version. Go to your start menu, click on settings, click on system. Now click on about. You can see the current version is 24 H2. Now the second change that you will observe in the form of update is if you open your picture and you come here and do a right click, you will see this cut, copy, rename, share and delete button have been added at the very top of the Windows 11 context right click menu. So this is the second feature update which will be very helpful, as this commands will be very handy. As soon as you do the right click, you will straight away can reach to these buttons directly. Now the one more good feature that have been added to the right click context menu of Windows 11 is like when you do the right click, you see you can compress now to different kind of formats. Like you can compress this to zip, you can also compress this to a 7z file and also to a tar file. So if you want to check like what are the additional options available, you can click here, and here you can see different version of archiving format like 7zip, tar, pos, tar, zip, and here you can also choose from the available compression methods like store. There are so many, and this is for tar also you can see many different compression methods, and also you can control the compression level like to a much smaller compression layer to a much faster level of compression. So this is something a very nice feature which has been added in the upcoming Windows 11 24H2 version. Now the one more good feature which is coming into the Windows update is from the command prompt. If you go to start menu and look for command prompt and you open this command prompt with your simple user ad privileges, and if I run this scan now command, it is now asking me to be an administrator to run this particular command. So earlier version of Windows, what we were doing actually, we were going back again, going to command prompt, and then we have to run it as an administrator to run that scan now command. But now in Windows 11 new version which is coming, you can simply, even if you have access command prompt without any administrator privileges, you just have to use this user do command, which we called it as sudo, and now you can write your command that requires administrator privileges. Now the super user do is disabled on this machine. To enable it, go to the developer settings in the setting app. So what you have to do, just press your control button and then hit your left click button. So it will open up a settings page here. And now here you will see this added feature under system developers called enable sudo. You just have to toggle it on. A user account control pop-up will come up. Just give your permissions here, click yes. And one more thing that you can control here is this downward pointing arrow. If you click here, you can see configure how sudo runs application runs. Like, do you want, suppose I am in this command prompt window, I don't want to open a new window to run this scan now command. What I can do here, I just want to run that particular window in the same one. Like I prefer using inline in this one. So let's see. I'm going back to command prompt. I'm using this sudo and using my scan now command like this. Press enter, and now you can simply click yes here, and you can now begin your scan now without reopening the command prompt window again. Another good feature which I have seen in this new version of Windows is we are arriving with 24x2 is this end task. This end task will enable your taskbar open app right click option. Like if you toggle this on and you go to your command prompt, which is right now open, you will see here end task. So you don't need to go to your task manager to cancel or end the task. So it is now directly available at your right click. So this is one more good feature that you are going to see in the upcoming Windows 11 24x2 version. So the one more update which is looking very good for energy conservation, like if you go to your settings, go to your system, then under power, you see this energy saver button here. So currently it is now off, and if you turn this on, then it is going to save your energy. So this is something a very nice feature which is now available directly here. So you can use this if you need to turn on your energy saver option here. One more good feature that you are going to see here is the power button controls. Now you don't need to go to any other place. You can simply come here and do like what your power button is going to do. Like you can either shut down or either you can go and make this sleep. So this is another very good feature which has been added. And if you come down here to quick access menu, here you will see like apart from this pinned application, here you see this ne pages, next pages button here. So they have added pages here to accommodate as many as application that you want to your quick access menu. So this is another good feature which has been added to your upcoming Windows 11 new update. So I think this is also a very nice update which is expected to be coming in to the 24x2 version. Also, the very nice feature that I really like here is the use of right click with your network. If you come here and do the right click, now here you have this diagnose network problems. So from here directly by using right click, you can diagnose your network connection. So you have this restart adapter, check this. So there are so many options available here to be used. So these are some of the very useful features which is right now available. So I have missed one, like if I was connected with my Wi-Fi, like if I had my Wi-Fi adapter, then what we were doing actually we have to toggle it off and toggle it on to search the Wi-Fi network around you. But now you will get a refresh button here so that you don't need to switch off and switch on the Wi-Fi adapter of your notebook or desktop. So by simply clicking your this refresh button, you will be able to rescan the available networks for your Wi-Fi. So thank you so much guys for being with me. I hope you will find this exciting and see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.